You searched how to buy shares of Grupo Aeroportuario del Centro Norte S.A.B. de CV, a Mexican airport operator listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OMAB. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. To buy OMAB, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker OMAB to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Grupo Aeroportuario del Centro Norte S.A.B. de CV to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm you have the correct stock. Click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the order details carefully, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your OMAB position will appear in your portfolio list. For the eToro sign-up link and more details, check the description below.